Don't do it to him. Thizzle. What's up, everybody, man? It's another content day. Hopefully you guys are already subscribed. Stay tuned for this whole video because I'm just gonna answer a lot of questions people be asking me all the time, bro. All the time. They always ask me, is Thailand really affordable? How much is your rent? How much is this? I'm gonna tell you, I already got you my condo, so I'm gonna tell you exactly how much stuff costs. Like, basically, I'm gonna be going to the movies today. I might go get some food or something, and I'm gonna just tell you guys how much stuff actually costs, and just tell you how much the cost of like just doing everyday things just costs, you know. Just look into the video. Hopefully you guys already subscribed to the video. Please like the video and comment if you want me to do something different. You know, maybe you want to see like maybe like the temples or something here, or just comment what you want me to do in Thailand. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the video, like the video, and I will see you guys soon. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so I have to wait on a couple people before we go into the theater, but so I'm going to go see Jurassic World. I tell you what I think after the movie, but basically I just want to give you a rundown of how much everything costs, and it's not that expensive, but I'm gonna tell y'all all about that after I get done with the movie with the rating of the movie. So stick back and relax, watch, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more of how they do it in Thailand. So just got done with the movie. Um, so I went to a 4D movie theater, which is a little bit different than your average movie theater. So Thailand has like a lot of different movie theaters. They have like a 4D movie theater, they have the bed movie theater, and they also have like a first class movie theater. But they also, got the, basic movie theater. But they have like a 4D movie theater, which is basically when you can feel every movement and also can they spray a little mist on you. It's good for like horror films. I seen Jurassic World, so it's more of a dynamic feel to it. Every movement that happens, when the dinosaurs come at you and stuff, it moves and does a sporadic move and all that, and the mist will come at you, and it's just a lot. But overall, the movie was okay to me. It was like a 5.5 out of 10. I'm a pretty harsh movie critic, so some people probably rate it higher, but it wasn't nothing out of the extraordinary. And what really gave it a 5.5 is some of the stuff is just not realistic, and that's what kind of give it points down for me. And overall, the movie was okay. Like, it wasn't nothing like too splendid, But overall, it was a great movie theater. I'm gonna give you guys all the prices and tell you like how much everything was. This was a little bit more pricier than an average movie, but it's just a little bit more pricier. I think it was only like maybe $3 more or something like that. But I think the total amount was maybe like $10, but I'll put it on the screen. But look, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy the channel, and let's get right to the next activity.
Bye.